Liz Truss has obtained her political ascendancy as the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom. FANG stands for Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Google. Everybody knows the year 2020 was a big change in the history. The reason of the watershed was COVID-19. The biggest change in our life is marriage. The greater danger for most of us is not that our aim is too high and we miss it, but that it's too low and we reach it. Michelangelo Buonarroti. Hello English learners, and welcome back to another super duper lesson by Improve Your Vocabulary YouTube channel. And today we will learn 3 awesome words with up-to-date examples. I believe you'll like the lesson as usual, and therefore don't hesitate to hit the like button and share the video with your friends and help us to gain more subscribers. Okay, now it's high time to start learning process. Let's go! The first word is ascendancy, a position of power, strength, or success. Read the following examples. Example 1. Liz Truss has obtained her political ascendancy as the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom. Liz Truss has political power over the government of the United Kingdom. Example 2. FANG have been in the ascendancy over any other traditional companies for almost a decade. FANG stands for Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Google. It is the undeniable fact that those companies have more impact on the global society than any other organization, both economically and socially. Example 3. Japan lost its economic ascendancy in the 1990s. Before that period, Japan was almost a global leader in terms of economy. Even the USA was afraid of fast surge of Japanese economy. But unfortunately, in the last decade of the 20th century, financial prosperity of the country plummeted. They call that period as the lost decade. Our second word is watershed. Watershed. It means a big change. An event or period that is important because it represents a big change in how people do or think about something. Example 1. The year 2020 was a watershed in the history of the world. All countries had to close their borders because of the lethal virus COVID-19. Consequently, it caused a huge economic crisis in most parts of the world. Everybody knows the year 2020 was a big change in the history. The reason of the watershed was COVID-19. Example 2. Marriage is a watershed in every single person's life. Yes, absolutely. The biggest change in our life is marriage. We have unprecedented lifestyle after getting married. Example 3. Invention of wheel was a watershed in the history of humankind. It ignited flame of the thousands of new inventions. If our ancestors didn't invent wheel, we may not have this progress in this modern world. And finally, the last word is hone. Hone. It's a verb that means to make an object sharp, or to make something perfect and completely suitable for its purpose. Example 1. Students' writing skills are honed at college. They must submit myriads of essays during their college years. As they write more, they become more rounded as a writer. In other words, College helps them to be more experienced with writing reports for their future career. Example 2. Sir David Attenborough has been honing his career as a narrator and an environmentalist in partnership with British Broadcasting Corporation. BBC has always had a strong ties with Sir David Attenborough. He makes lots of media products with the partnership of BBC. Great things take time. If you want to be a fluent speaker and a writer in English, be patient and learn new things every day. Perseverance and hard work will pay off. If you like our video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. If you are new in our channel, please subscribe and watch other videos to get more knowledge and learn more words. Wait for our next video lessons. Till then, bye bye.